Welcome to 3-phase guided meditation for business success in 40 days or less. This is Preeti Singh Rajput and I will guide you through the meditation. To begin with, let's align the energies within and set our intentions. Everything we have in our lives today has been first created in our minds. Using the mind and faith, we uphold the power to create what we truly desire in our lives. Each one of us desire, dream, and have our own wish list. Your desires and your dreams might feel too far away today, but you have to know that they are yours and only you can experience and manifest them in reality. Your desires are significant and precious to you and to the world around. Now, I want you to find a comfortable position and take a deep breath. Inhale deeply from your nose and exhale with ease from your mouth. Once more, inhale deeply and exhale with ease. Repeat the process once more. Try to relax the muscles of your body. As you relax and breathe, center all your energy to the middle of your forehead. Feel your forehead relaxed. Bring your attention to your eyelid and release any tension from around your eyes. Relax your face. Let every cell of your body feel relaxed, calm, and in perfect harmony with the universe. Feel your surroundings. Smell the air. Hear the noise around. Rub your fingers gently with each other and feel your skin. Appreciate being alive. Appreciate the life around you. Take your time and awaken all your senses. Be in the moment with self. Take a deep breath and repeat after me. I am guided by eternal intelligence. My thoughts are positive, productive, and transformational. I have the power to make my own choices and I choose joy, love, health, wealth, and success. The universal intelligence that created me redirects me and guides me to the most suitable path for achieving all my goals. I believe that I'm ready to create and live a thriving life. Take a few seconds to sink in the thought of being capable and enough to achieve just any goal you have set for yourself. Your dream to become an impactful, successful, and wealthy entrepreneur is in its way to manifest in your life. With that, you are ready to move on to the first phase, feeling of gratitude. What we thank becomes a thing in reality. I want you to bring 3 to 5 things that you are truly grateful for. Remind yourself of the things, people, and qualities you already have that can help you become a thriving entrepreneur. Feel grateful for the resources and support you already have to fulfill your dreams of becoming an entrepreneur. You have everything you need to get started. It could be anything. Your family, your experiences, maybe the ability to think. that laptop that you have that you need to start your online business with, the Wi-Fi connection that you have at home, the smartphone, the house help. Thank every little thing that makes your life comfortable and worth living. Take a deep breath and feel the positive emotions of gratitude. Have faith that the universe has got your back. You have got what you need. You are where you need to be. You know what you need to know. And rest shall unfold as you move forward. As you think of the resources, people, skill sets, and qualities, fill yourself with emotions of gratitude, thankfulness. Take a few seconds and feel these emotions. Now we move to the second phase, future envisioning. I want you to think about your incredible vision for yourself and your business 3 years from now. Take your time and visualize yourself living that incredible dream in reality. Put all your senses to work and feel the emotions, excitement, and joy of accomplishment. Don't go into how you will get there. Just believe that you will. Dream big. See yourself living that big dream. Visualize all the things you possess. The most amazing team you work with. Your dream workplace. Your thriving personality. See a happy workplace where everyone is truly contributing to fulfill your vision along with theirs. Visualize yourself in a position that inspires others. Your contribution in your industry is transformational. Feel the joy and fulfillment for being able to bring about the change in people's lives. See happy customers who can't thank you enough for the incredible results they achieved using your products and your services. Imagine yourself sitting in a mastermind group with people you always admired from your industry. They are your close friends now. You are in a group of like-minded, self-motivated, and success-driven people. See yourself talking to your ideal clients and doing massive business with them. Your customers love you and admire you for the quality of work you deliver. Your tribe finds you and becomes your lifelong customer. Use all your senses to see, hear, touch, smell, and feel the success. It feels wonderful to be financially abundant with great health and most loving relationships in life. Money flows into your life easily. See yourself starting your day with passion and moving through it, experiencing fulfillment. It feels divine to live the dream life and run the dream business. Bring in emotions, feel the joy, accomplishment, and success. Feel worthy of all the good life has to offer. Your desire is coming true. I'll give you a few seconds to stay there and experience it all in reality. As we close, I want you to feel and believe that the subconscious power that gave you desire is now fulfilling it through you. We now come to phase 3, receive with grace. You have visualized yourself as an impactful and accomplished entrepreneur. You have declared your ideal vision to the higher power. Visualize yourself in connection with the universal energies and light. Universe is conspiring to shower you with blessings. See yourself receiving those blessings, support, and all the power you need to achieve your goals. Picture yourself receiving good luck and abundance from the higher power. Feel the energy swirling within you. You deserve it all. You are part of the universe, and the universe is abundant and prosperous. So are you. Take a deep breath and lock in these emotions of empowerment and blessings. Know that you have control of your life. You are worthy of all the good this world has to offer. Claim your success. Receive it with grace. You deserve it. You truly deserve it. It's coming true. You truly deserve it. It's yours. Your dreams are coming true. We have now completed the meditation. You can choose to awaken yourself slowly and gently, feeling accomplished and motivated to take action, ready to lead a productive day. Remember, the distance between your dreams and your reality is called action. And now is the best time to get started.